Hey, good morning, everybody. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Just going to highlight this morning's trading. Um, some of the stuff we were working on last week kind of showed up around the open, trading between the 8, the bands, and full pie cycles. Just going to hit on that. And then just wanted to show some of the algo stuff that we were setting up last week. You can add it to TradingView and how it did today. So I'm going to move this Russell over. There were some good cycles on the Russell. I ended up taking a short here after this move up. There's two nice 5-minute cycles. Cycle away from pi, cycle back to it. So you just wait for the wider edges there on the Russell today. It was kind of an easy trade. And then as far as S&Ps and the NASDAQ this morning, this is the 1 minute. Let me ramp the 5. So futures roll makes the gap or the chart look a little bit gappy, but you're just kind of in an uptrend, grinding into the open. So there's two solid 5-minute cycles to take. I ended up being long into here. Let me just bring this up a little bit more. So keep it simple, a little bit like I highlighted last week. 5-minute cycles low. You can even see the RSI's oversold there. 5-minute cycles low. Took into new highs, bought some back, took more into the new high. And then around the open, there's basically 3 ways we play the open. There's a push up type of move. Sometimes you have a move up and then you have a full reversal. And so this morning you had a reversal. And anytime you have a nice rally, anytime you have a rally, in the overnight session coming from Friday, like just look at this 30-minute chart. Like you're opening up from a good distance from last week's lows. So you have a higher probability of a reversal. So you just keep that in the back of your mind. You don't have to scenario build and think it's going to happen, like fading this right away. You just go with the break of the 8, and there's opportunity to take the short side. So the 5-minute was bullish. You got in, you made some money early, and then around the open, it's kind of a different game. So when you go to the 1 minute, first move is up. I was long in here, added, took, stayed long. And then when we broke the 8 here, I hedged short NASDAQ and played this tick chart trend down. Tick chart trend down, we break the 8. This is also a swing line setup. And I'm looking to play literally the first 2 moves. So this can be inside of 30 minutes. First move is up, and then you reverse. So you break this 8, and then there's a swing line back down the other way. And then boom, that moves over. Swing line up, swing line back down this way. And then my guys know try to follow the direction of the 8 as much as possible when you're day trading. That's where the bulk of the more you follow the 8, the more money you're going to be making in the immediate term. There's times you can kind of go the other way. You could set up long S&P here, but I like to be catching this short first. So inside of this drop into pi, there was a couple spots to add, and then add and reduce, cover, cover. So that was kind of the bulk of my morning long. And I took the long here, but once NASDAQ broke, short more NASDAQ. This is NASDAQ on this side. End up staying long S&P, just one lot. In and out a few times here, stayed long, but then sold this. Added, covered, added, covered, added, covered. And then there you are, done before even 10 o'clock. So That looked like this. Long. I don't have my Russell trades, but this is long, right? Short. Add, cover, add, cover, cover. 2,500. Not a lot of opportunities, not a lot of businesses, not a lot of side hustles, not a lot of careers where you can make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in the first 30 minutes. And you want to trade all morning and make 2 to 5 grand. It's a nice way to live, nice way to pull money out of the markets and treat it like your ATM. And then the algo stuff. So we were working on this. My guys, the Pine Script code trading view. So anybody that wants to be part of our inner circle, I help you with this. This is essentially the algo service. But the inner circle guys, you get all the coaching, training, trade with me live. But of course, we've been putting this on our charts just to help with keeping things simple. Keeping things simple. This is on the short side. Working the cycles. But what I really like about this is it gets out right at the trend change. And then we are long here. That's what I mean. The 8 gets you in short there. As either hedges or then add to your hedges as they move in your favor. So really happy with that. And the long side, this is the opposite. Long, add, reduce, add, reduce, add, reduce, add, reduce. Out. Trend change stays out of the way for all of this. And then you didn't get in a deep cycle till up here, but you can manually get long for this move after. So pretty clear cut today. Pretty happy with that. If you guys want, I'll include the link again. We're going to be working with a few more people at this price, and then prices are going to be changing next month. So this is all our coaching, all the courses, the real-time alerts. Again, help you with the algo service. You can run this algo stuff. That's just on the 1-minute chart. It's fractal. You can run. Cycles are everywhere. They're on the small time frames. They're on the long-term time frames. So you could run that for your investing. If you want to trade Apple, you want to use it for NVIDIA, you want to put it in the bond market, the gold market, FX markets. So all the courses, live mentorship, obviously working together, working on your bad trading habits, your good trading habits, journaling trades. You need a fresh perspective outside your own mind if you want to go to the next level. If you had all the answers to your bad habits, you'd be making the progress you want. Sometimes you need to have a coach to look from the other side, from a different perspective, ask the right questions, accountability, all that good stuff. Trading tools, trading journal, trading log. There's just a ton of value here, guys. 12 grand. I paid 12 grand just to learn Forex 12 years ago. And it was a weekend course. I pulled out 3 or 4 concepts from that. I didn't get it live coaching, didn't get to trade live with anybody. It was just a simple model on Forex. And I wanted to learn more about the currency markets. And I ended up bringing a bunch of those tactics into the fixed income market where we were trading bonds, and just some amazing performance that translated into the bond market. So you got to get investing yourself. This is great value. Don't worry about that offer expiring price. Probably need to update that. Yeah, so I'll put the link in here. And I think that's it. Tomorrow we're live together. Kind of touched on the algo. Should have some opportunity to be long here again at the end of the day. This is just another platform I'm using. But anyway, guys, that's good for now. I'll talk to some of you on the team in the morning.